Hey guys, it's Ashley with 3R Sales and Service. Today we're going to look at the Hydrotek skid units. These are the ready-made ones that we also keep in stock. Same setup as the trailer units that we did a video on before. They have a 200-gallon tank and they've got the stainless steel hose reels on them. Both come with the 50-foot of high-pressure hose and a 50-foot of the inlet hose. The difference is these skids are positioned so that they can go into the back of a truck bed. You can put them on a trailer as well if you want to, but they're pretty much built for a truck bed use. So the tank goes all the way into the front of the truck bed, and then the hose reels are accessible from the rear of the truck bed along with all of the controls on the pressure washer. And again, the differences between these two is that this is 3,500 PSI at 5 gallon a minute with the Honda engine and the bigger General triplex plunger pump, also belt drive. And then you can kind of get a full look around. It has the tank drain, the filter, and the exhaust all right there between the washer and the tank. And on the other unit here has the Vanguard 16-horse engine and the AR belt drive pump on it. And this unit is 3,000 PSI at 4.8 gallon. All right, and if you have any questions on these, just give us a call. Thanks.